Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox not sending the two-step verification code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're on a phone or computer and you're trying to log into your Roblox account, but it's just not ever sending you an email or text with that verification code, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now let's open up the Roblox app here, and on here I can tap on the basically username and password, and I can autofill it on here with my keychain. So I'm going to autofill and hit sign in. But what you'll notice is it pops up with two-step verification, and it says, enter the code we just sent to you via your email. And it shows a 6-digit code, but maybe you're not getting that specific code. You have some options here. You can see at the very bottom is resend code, so I can tap resend code. Essentially, this will initiate another email that gets into your email, so that you can check to see if that email comes through to you. And essentially, if you hop out of here and open up an email app, you might be able to see that code in here. But you also might want to go back and check the spam folder for your email. Maybe that specific code was in your spam folder instead of in your inbox. Another thing you can do is hit this use another verification method. If you tap on that, it gives you two options. One is email, which we just tried, and another one is backup code. So essentially, if you have saved a backup code on your phone or on your device, it is usually a string of 9 digits, basically, that will let you log into your account no matter what. And that's it. These are things that you set up when you set up that two-factor or two-step verification. So if you have that backup code, just enter in that backup code now, and then you can just get into your account. Now, if you hit use another verification method and it shows a phone number here, you can always try to opt from email over to phone number and try one of those 3 different things like phone number, email, or backup codes. If none of these work, you can also just go back and hit at the very bottom. Need help? Contact Roblox support. So if I tap on that, it'll pop up with a Roblox support page. And it says to set verification methods and then setting it up. Set up to step verification with your security keys and basically keep going down. And it says contact customer support. So tap on that button and it pops up with a contact us support page. So you're going to enter in your name, your email address. And on here for issues, we're going to say I'm on my Android and I can't log in. And basically two-step verification is not working. So I can say something like, not getting the codes, can you help me log in? And basically they'll respond to you usually within 2 to 3 business days, and they'll walk you through the process of verifying that you actually own that account and get you set up to reset your password and get you logged into there, and essentially so that you can use your Roblox without having to lose that account. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox not sending the two-step verification code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.